Hello, my name is Mohammad Raidul Chaudhuri. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Currently, I'm living at Dhaka. In this video, I'm going to talk about why I think that I am suitable candidate for Centria University of Applied Science. Also, I'm going to talk about that what motivated me to pursue my higher study at Centria University of Applied Science. So first, I'm going to talk a little bit about myself, and then I'm going to move on to other topics. So I passed my SSC and HSC examination from Udan Higher Secondary School and College. It is a very reputable college and school in Bangladesh. Also, I studied at Brack University for 4 years. Also, currently I'm working as a media management officer at HR Polymer Industries, which is a renowned polymer industries group in Bangladesh. So, about my skills and weaknesses, I want to say that I am a competitive person. I want to compete and achieve the best results for myself and others. Also, I seek for new things. I want to know things more. I want to pursue new things. Also, I can cope up with challenging situation which comes towards me. I can find a way to manipulate and find a good result from that. And as for my weaknesses, I think I put too much pressure on me when I pursue a thing and do a thing. So when I am under pressure, I become a little bit nervous, and also I feel like in this situation I panic a little bit. Also, I think that one of my weaknesses is I am not a very talkative person, as I am an introvert myself. But I think that these aren't a very big problem for me because I work in business corporations and I tend to work with among other people, and I find it easier for me to cope up with these kind of weaknesses. For Centria University, why I applied to this university is because that I was thinking that I need to pursue my higher education program again because I didn't have sufficient knowledge about my goals, my educational background. So I thought that I want to expand my boundaries, and I wanted to know a little bit more. So I thought that I should start pursuing my higher education, and for looking for other places rather than Bangladesh is because I find that while I was working in organizations, and also I've seen at Brack University and other universities that they don't provide a practical knowledge-based education. They often goes for the theoretical based a conventional education, which is sufficient for maybe for past times, but nowadays with IT and technologies are moving so fast that if you don't have a practical knowledge about the things, then it is a very difficult to cope up with the rest of the world. So I thought that if I want to pursue my higher education, so I want to go abroad and get it a better education program. And also for opportunity and European degree, which will help me a lot because Europeans experiment and degree will be much more valuable for me. And I want to implement those ideas and technologies that I learned from European, especially Centria UAS, to apply in the business sectors and IT sectors in Bangladesh, which will help me to improve myself and also Bangladeshi companies which are not aware of these practical knowledges. Okay, so I applied for information technology, business intelligence technology, also in environmental chemistry and technologies. So in IT, I was always passionate about IT programs. I always wanted to learn more about IT, so what's going around in the world about internet and other things. I wanted to learn about software engineering, data analysis, and machine learning. How do they work, and how we can put it in our perspective. So I wanted to study in these sectors. So I applied to that. And also for business intelligence technology, I wanted to know about how to I implement my knowledge about business and my technological knowledge into one perspective, and which will create a very better experience to other people and also business sectors in Bangladesh. And last one is the environmental chemistry and technology, which I applied because when I was working in the industries and I visited so many industries myself. I've seen that the people are not very much aware about the climate change and what impact we'll be facing in the future. So thought that when I thought that I have to gather some knowledge about this problem which is coming towards us. And also we don't have much eco-friendly technologies to put into our industries. So, and our university doesn't have that much knowledge or educational programs about this kind of things. So I thought that I wanted to gather some information or educational knowledge about this kind of problem, and I want to emphasize on this kind of problems in our daily regular life, also in our business and IT tech sectors. For my skills, I've learned web developing skills like PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. to know to create websites or something else. And while I was studying at Breck University, we had classes about Java programming and C programming, etc. So I learned them in my classes at Breck University. Also I had some projects and labs in there. I created some basic games like tic-tac-toe with Java programming. Also, while I was working, I am currently still working at HR Polymer Industries. I learned Word, Microsoft Excel, also Microsoft PowerPoints, because I had to make some Word documents. I had to make Excel sheets. Also, I made so many PowerPoint presentations for our organization. Also, I've been using Windows computer for all of my life. I know how to operate them. I know how to work with them. While I was at Breck University, I was a member of Breck University Tripoli Club. So with that club, because of that club, I have hands-on experiences with digital electronics, electrical products, microprocessors such as like Arduino, and also transistors and robotics. So I have a little bit too hands-on experience with this kind of electrical machines. And lastly, I want to tell you that I am very much looking forward to be a student at Centria University of Applied Science. It will be an honor for me, and I am a well determined, and I want to be a best possible student I can be. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it.